Hello everyone. We will talk about WestHost, a simple hosting services website. Let's get started. What is WestHost? WestHost is a web hosting company aimed at business users. It offers low-cost shared hosting, cloud hosting and dedicated servers, and all services appear to be targeted at professionals rather than hobbyist users. The company was set up in 1998 and was acquired by UK2 in 2008. It's part of Hosting Services, Inc., and shares its headquarters in Utah with AN Hosting and Midphase. Notably, half of its employees are multilingual, and half have more than 5 years' experience in the IT industry. WestHost was founded in 1998 by Cheese Russell. They merged with UK2 Group in 2008. WestHost is one of the oldest web hosts out there. It's also worth mentioning that UK2 Group also owns Midphase Hosting. They claim to offer reliable web hosting that is affordable. We carefully investigated them by using their service and doing a background check to find out what other users think. Our unbiased review lets you know whether WestHost is worth it or not. As its website explains, web hosting is how you get your site online so people can see it. A web host sells you space on a server. You upload your files to that server, and the server turns them into a website which people can access. Keeping things simple and affordable is key to WestHost's approach to hosting. WestHost hosting plans. Shared web hosting is split into 3 plans: personal, preferred and business. The personal plan is the most limited at 50 GB disk space, 1000 GB bandwidth and 1 database. The top-end business plan is largely unlimited. Preferred customers receive a free domain, and business customers receive a free domain and free SSL certificate. Cloud hosting is split into 3 plans: Burst, Storm and Monsoon. The lowest cost plan, Burst, comes with 20 GB disk space, 500 GB bandwidth, a dedicated IP, 1.2 GHz processor power and 752 MB RAM. The top-end plan comes with 2,250 GB bandwidth, 90 GB disk space, 4.5 GHz processor power and 3,384 MB RAM. Dedicated servers are available on managed or unmanaged plans. There's a handy side-by-side comparison chart for both types of dedicated hosting, covering everything from the port speed on the machine to the machine's RAID capabilities. Features. WestHost has a lot of features, but depending on the plan you buy, many may not be included. Shared hosting is skimpy in that regard, providing only the bare minimum required to get you online. That said, if you jump for a WordPress plan or higher, you'll enjoy a long list of features. Low-cost plans. It offers 3 main hosting services, all priced at around a few cups of Starbucks a month. These are shared hosting plans, which means you rent your own piece of a server, giving you the bandwidth and file storage space you need for your site. With the most basic plan, you get hosting for a single website, with 50 GB disk space, 1000 GB bandwidth and 1 database. On the middle tier, you get an unlimited number of websites and databases, 200 GB disk space, 2500 GB bandwidth and 1 free domain. If you pay annually on the highest tier, you get unlimited websites, databases, bandwidth, and storage, with 1 free domain, 1 free IP address and 1 free SSL security certificate. Again, the freebies are only available if you pay annually. Unlimited bandwidth, unlimited disk space, free domain. WordPress hosting, unlimited sites. WestHost uptime, downtime. WestHost offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee on shared hosting and dedicated hosting packages. For shared hosting customers, backups are included for free, but backups are a chargeable extra on dedicated servers. Dedicated customers receive credits in the event of a network outage. VPS and cloud customers accounts are backed up weekly and monthly. WestHost recommends that users create their own backups in between. There's no uptime promise for these types of services. WestHost uses a Tier 3 data center in Salt Lake City, Utah, and rents out space there as part of a colocation program. The host relies on redundant power, on-site staff, cold row cooling, Avesta smoke detection and video surveillance to keep customers' data secure. Detailed information about the data center is available on individual service pages. Over the past 24 months, they had an average uptime of 99.98%. They've been quite good over the past 24 months, and the past 12 months they have shown outstanding results, hitting 100% of uptime in several months. WestHost support is provided 24/7 through a variety of channels. There's a live chat button, a knowledge base, and a fairly sparse FAQ. I found that some of the published support documentation was quite limited, with a huge amount on cPanel and site builders but not a lot of information on other services. In addition, customers can use a ticketing system, a US toll-free telephone number, and a US number that can be called from other countries. Customers must use the members area at http://members.westhost.com to log support requests. Despite WestHost's claim that half its staff speak more than one language, I didn't see any clue as to whether support was provided in any languages other than English. Pros and cons. Pros: a free domain name for life, uptime right above industry average, free migration and 30-day money-back guarantee, instant activation, enhanced security with nightly backups, one-click apps and website builder, relatively transparent pricing list, low-cost plans, VPS and dedicated hosting. Cons: slower than ideal load time, 40+ minutes to get in touch with their support. Not truly unlimited. Cheaper plans come with a 3-year commitment. Intro pricing period too short. Slow, few features on shared plans, few security features, nagging to purchase add-ons.